Hello. Welcome to your favorite channel, Have Fun and Learn with JP Dutta. And today we'll solve a few typical problems which are basically conceptual in nature that will make you understand the theoretical part that we had in a previous video. For newcomers, please look at the description box and you'll find that there is a video on lines and angles and transversal. Go have a look at that video and that will make things easier for you. Come to problem number 1. In this problem, OP is parallel to RS. Angle OPQ is given 110 degree. Angle SRQ is equal to 130 degree. Now see, by looking at the figure, it is very difficult to establish a relationship between OP and RS. So we've got to do something to create a relationship. And mind you, we're going to create a relationship by staying within the rules of mathematics. So what we will do, we will draw a line parallel to OP through Q, like this. Okay? This is a line drawn through OP, through Q, parallel to OP. Now, in this particular problem, now things become clear. We can establish a relationship. Here, we'll use C. We know that for two parallel lines, these two angles are called allied angles. See, these two lines are parallel and they are called allied angles, so co-integer angles. And this angle, say angle A and angle B, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. This is number 1 rule we'll apply. We'll also use angles lying on the same straight line, like this. They add up to 180 degree. X, Y, Z, they add up to 180 degree. So we'll use these two properties of parallel lines and straight lines to solve this problem, correct? So we have drawn a line parallel to this, so let us name them X, and this point is say A, and this is Y, and this point is say B. Now see, we approach this problem from two sides, from this side first and again from this side. If you apply to the left hand side, we say OP is parallel to AQ by drawing, by construction, and PQ is the transversal. Right? So we can write angle OPQ plus angle PQA is equal to 180 degree. Now we know the value of angle OPQ, therefore we can replace it. So we can say now that we replace the values. OPQ is 110 degree plus angle PQA, that is equal to 180 degree. So we get angle PQA is equal to 180 minus 70 degree. Understood? Correct. Now we apply the same rule on the right hand side, right? In that case you can say RS is parallel to QB and RQ is the transversal. If that is so, we can write that angle SRQ plus angle RQB is equal to 180 degree. Same reason, allied angles. Again, allied angles. Right? So we can find out angle RQB is equal to 180 minus 130. that is equal to 50 degree, right? So we found out the value of angle PQA, that is 70 degree, this is 70 degree, and the value of angle RQS, which is 50 degree. Okay, so far so good. Now we apply that angles lie on the same straight line add up to 180 degree. So we write E is a straight line. Therefore, 70 plus x degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x degree plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So therefore you get x is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Right? So this angle is now equal to 60 degree. So see, we have created the relationship by staying within the laws of mathematics. Now we go to question number 2. Problem number 2. It says that DE is parallel to BR and AP bisects angle A. So this angle is equal to this angle, right? And BP bisects angle B. So we can write these two angles are equal, right? So we have to find out the value of this angle, say x, right? So see, since DE is parallel to BR and AB is the transversal, we can write angle EAB plus angle RBA plus angle RBA is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now we see that angle PAB is equal to half of angle EAB. And angle PBA is equal to half of angle RBA. Correct. Now what we do, we find out half of these angles, right? So half angle EAB plus angle RBA is equal to half into 180. That gives us 90 degree, is equal to 90 degree. Right? So that will be equal to angle PAB plus angle PBA. So now in triangle BPA, by angle sum property, we can write angle PAB plus angle PBA plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangles. Correct? So from here we can now say this value is 90 degree. So 90 plus angle P is equal to 180. Therefore angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree, right? Okay, so we get angle P is equal to 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. Got it? It says AB is parallel to DE. Angle ABC is equal to 115 degree and angle BCD is equal to 20 degree. We need to find out the value of angle EBC for X. Now, from the figure, it will not be possible to find out the value of angle X. So, what we do, we draw a line through C parallel to DE and AB, like this. When we call it F, CF, right? What we do now is find out angle, this whole angle BCF. In order to do that, draw CF parallel to DE parallel to AB. Angle ABC plus angle BCF is equal to 180 degree. AB is parallel to CF and BC is the transversal. Correct? Right. We know the value of angle ABC. Therefore, angle BCF is equal to 180 degree minus angle ABC. We replace the value of angle ABC, we get 180 minus 115, that is equal to 65 degree. So we get this angle as 65 degree. Now we call this small angle as Y. Okay? Since we know angle BCF is also equal to angle BCD plus Y. So 65 degree is equal to BCD is 20 degree is equal to 20 degree plus Y. From there we get 65 minus 20 is equal to Y is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now we will say ED is parallel to CF. C is the transversal. Therefore, angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. Allied angle. Allied angle. Correct? So, angle X plus 45 is equal to 180 degree. So, therefore, angle X is equal to 180 minus 45, which is equal to 135 degree. So this angle is equal to 135 degree. This is our question number 4. It says that AB is parallel to CD and is parallel to EF. Also, angle CEF is equal to 130 degree and the angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. So in order to solve this, we'll first use the alternate angle property to find out this angle. Correct? Now next what we'll do, we'll apply the allied angle property in these two angles to find out angle ECD, and then we'll subtract, correct, to get x. Right? The green ones are alternate angles, correct? So first we say AB is parallel to CD and BC is the transversal. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, which is equal to 70 degrees. Why? They are alternate angles. Correct? Now we find out angle ECD or DCE. How? We say EF is parallel to CD and EC is the transversal. Correct? Therefore, angle CEF plus angle ECD is equal to 180 degree. Why? They are allied angles. Right? So we find out that angle ECD is equal to 180 degree minus angle CEF is 130 degree. That we get as 50 degree. Right? So this double checked angle is 50 degree. Now see angle BCD is equal to x plus 50 degree. Right? X plus 50 degree. So BCD is 70. So 70 degree is equal to x plus 50 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 70 degree minus 50 degree is equal to 20 degree. So we get this angle as 20 degree. Right? So here we used alternate angle property as well as allied angle property. Right? Today I am going to give you 5 tips for solving problems regarding to lines and angles. Right? Let us go to that. Let's see what are those. Number 1. The thing everybody says. Read the question very carefully. Number 2. Find out what is the question looking for. That is number 2. Now comes the strategic part. Strategy. In strategy, you have to decide, like with a given set of data, what are your theoretical options? Correct? Number 4 will be decide on which angles and properties to apply. And the number 5, fifth point, is the most important one. Ensure that no key points are missed, correct? So read the question carefully, find out what is the question looking for. Strategy: with the given set of data, what are your theoretical options? Decide on which angles and properties to apply, and ensure that no key points is left out. Hope this makes you lines and angles simple. Basically, lines and angles is a very simple chapter, provided you look into it, think about it, and look at the theoretical parts a little bit. So scoring in lines and angles is not a difficult job. That should be a scoring chapter for you. So till next week, till next video, bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos. Especially click on the bell icon so that the upcoming videos are notified. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.